What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can add YouTube tags to YouTube Shorts, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So what are the YouTube tags? Basically, tags are more than just a keywords. They are your silent promoters working behind the scenes. So where you can see and where you can add YouTube tags to shorts. So before you add tags to your videos, research the right keyword, think about what your video is about, and basically find the tags you want to use. Add tags during the video file upload process. So upload your video, start by uploading your video to YouTube, click on camera symbol next to your profile picture, and basically go into the upload process. When you want to enter your tags, scroll down to the tags box and start typing your prepared keywords. And if you want to add hashtag, enter the hashtag symbol and then type your tag or keyword. So if you want to use it for the shorts, tagging is a bit different, but basically what you need to do is, since shorts about quick content, keep your tags short and relevant, focus on precise keywords that capture the essence of the short video. Once you created a new short, add hashtags in your YouTube Shorts video title and description. That is basically the way on how to add tags to your YouTube Shorts video. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.